Why do we end up in this stupid prison? This is all because of our horrible attitude towards everyone and every pony else. Mostly Millie. I wish we hadn't done any of that. I agree. If we didn't end up being big jerks to those guys, this never would have happened. But we did, frankly. Well, you heard Gio. We are demons. And now we are stuck in this prison for all times. Yeah, this is all our fault. It is. Oh, what's the matter, ponies? Have no more friends now because of your bad behavior? Well, congratulations. That was the best thing you ever did to them. Even Millie. I'm so proud of the both of you. Good job. You! Let us out of here, you horrid monster! Aw, not this time, ponies. Because today, you're mine! And now, to make sure you stay in your amazing demon ways, I have a surprise for you. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, yes, I do. Oh, no, you don't. Zip! Zip your muzzle shut and don't flinch. It's okay. It'll be all right. Don't panic. This would sting a lot. Hey, stop! My wings! I can't feel them. Give us our colors back. Oh, I will. Oh, good. Good ponies. Now, before we begin decorating this place with patterns and colors, let me tell you something. And it will all go down.
It's time you learned a lesson. It's time that you understand. Don't ever count on anybody else in this or any other land. I once hoped for friendship, to find a place among my kind. But those were the childish wishes of someone who was blind. Open up your eyes, see the world from where I stand. Me among the mighty, you caged at my command. Open up your eyes, give up your sweet fantasy land. It's time to grow up and get wise. Come now, little one, open up your eyes. We all start out the same, with simple, naive trust, shielded from the many ways that life's not fair or just. But then there comes a moment, a simple truth that you must face. If you depend on others, you'll never find your place. Take that first step upon a path that's all your own. You see it all so clearly. The best way to survive is all alone. Open up your eyes.